everyone, we'd like to thank Javentech for sponsoring this video and providing Dave and Bella with this top quality white noise sound machine. Here you're able to see how small and convenient it is in size. Here's the power jack, the headphone jack for private listening, and a USB charging port to charge any device you want. Despite it being small in size, it has very excellent sound quality. Now let's take a listen at the 6 unique noises. Here we have your white noise, rain, fan, brook, summer night, and ocean. Bella's already intrigued with the noises. Here's Bella's first night sleeping with the sounds of the ocean. Sleeping like a little angel. Now let's have a look at David, enjoying the sounds of the rain. Sleeping with his beautiful mommy. The device doesn't have to be plugged in. It comes included with 3 AA batteries, so you can enjoy the sounds on the go. Now, if you would like to get your hands on one of these, simply click on the link below and take advantage of the 50% off code provided. This offer is only good the whole month of September 2017, so hurry. While you're at it, get another one for that pregnant friend or that baby shower gift. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.